CoverGuard's wall flange and flexible adapters works for pipe insulation protection around the country and meets code enforcement guidelines. The wall flange works great on aluminum soffits or straight through the building. Run the desired amount of line sets through the wall and wall flange. Make sure the flex tube is forced all the way back against the flange. Then, place the top cap on. You'll see these ridges. They grab the ridges on the flex. Force it down, put your screws in, and it'll be held fast. Here is 5 line sets installed. I could probably put another. Looks great and passes your code. CoverGuard has 2 flex tubes. They both fit our adapter. The large can fit up to 6 line sets, and the small can fit 2. Just purchase the right size for your needs. The flexible adapter has 2 sides. The lower half has ridges. Those are what grabs the flex tube. Simply put it on the lower half of the flex adapter and force it down. Then put your set screws in and fasten down. Your job site now meets the energy code for pipe insulation protection and looks beautiful. Check out our website at accoverguard.com.